How to start Fiverr full course. Hey everyone, are you ready to start earning money online straight from your phone or laptop? In today's video, I'm giving you a complete step-by-step Fiverr course for beginners. I'll show you exactly how to create your Fiverr account the right way, how to set up your gigs so they get noticed, and most importantly, how to get your first order fast. Fiverr is an amazing freelancing platform where thousands of people are making real dollars every single day, and you can too. So watch this video till the end, hit that subscribe button, and let's start your Fiverr journey together. Let's go. Alright, now let's get you logged into Fiverr step by step. First, open your browser or download the Fiverr app from the Play Store or App Store. Next, tap on Join or Sign Up if you don't have an account yet. You can sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID, or just enter your email address. Create a unique username. Remember, this will be part of your Fiverr profile link, so pick something simple and professional. Choose a strong password, agree to the terms, and hit Join. Fiverr will send you a confirmation email. Open it and click Activate Account, and you're in. If you already have an account, just tap Log In, enter your email and password, and boom, your Fiverr dashboard is ready. That's it. You're now ready to set up your profile and gigs to start earning. Part 3. How to earn money on Fiverr. Full script. Congratulations, you're now logged in to Fiverr. Now let's see how you can actually start earning money. Step 1. Create a strong profile. Your profile is your first impression. Add a professional profile photo. Write a clear bio telling clients who you are, what you offer, and why they should hire you. Step 2. Find your skills. Fiverr works with gigs, your services. What are you good at? It could be graphic design, video editing, writing, voiceover, social media posts, website building, translation, or even simple data entry. Step 3. Create your first gig. Click on Become a Seller, then create a new gig. Write a catchy title for your gig. Choose the right category and tags so people can find you. Add 3 clear pricing packages if possible: basic, standard, premium. Write a detailed description explaining what you will deliver. Add FAQs to answer common questions. Upload samples of your work or portfolio. Step 4. Upload a great gig image video. A good gig image or intro video makes you stand out. Keep it clear, colorful, and professional. Step 5. Be online and responsive. Fiverr shows active sellers to buyers more often. Try to be online as much as possible. Respond to messages quickly. Step 6. Deliver on time, get good reviews. Always deliver quality work before the deadline. Good reviews build your reputation and help you charge more in the future. Step 7. Withdraw your earnings. Once your order is marked complete, Fiverr takes a small fee, and you can withdraw your money via PayPal, Payoneer, or a bank account. Bonus tip: stay consistent. In the beginning, you might get fewer orders, but keep updating your gigs, learn from competitors, and promote your gigs on social media too. That's it. Now you know how to start, how to log in, and how to earn money on Fiverr, even as a complete beginner. Hit subscribe to Next Dollar, and let's make your online income journey easier together.